Hello everyone, I'll be going over some basic Excel functions. To launch Excel, you could click on the Excel app on your desktop, taskbar, or even press the Windows logo key and type in Excel. From there, you can see the Excel app showing under Best Match. Press on it. When Excel opens, it will show you your most recent documents on the left and some future templates you have the option to use on the right. You can pause the video right now and take a look at them or go back to them on your own time. If there is a workbook you will frequently go back to, you can pin it to the top for ease of access instead of having to look for it under Recents. This will help you save a bit of time. To do this, you hover over the document that you want to pin, go to the right where there's the little pin icon, and press on it. Now you can see that this document is pinned to the top. Clicking on any of these templates will create a new workbook for you to work on. For now, I'm going to use a blank workbook. To save your workbook, press on this tiny icon on the top left, or press on File. Here's some necessary vocabulary. These up here are called tabs. This is called a ribbon. Clicking on a tab from Home to View and anything in between will open up a different ribbon underneath it. Each of these ribbons have different groups to categorize different things. The title of each group is at the bottom of the group. You can expand those groups further for even more options by pressing on this little icon down here. Rows run from the left to right and are labeled by numbers. This is row 3, this is row 7, this is row 10, and so on and so forth. Columns are the opposite. They run up and down and are labeled by letters. This is column C, this is column E, and this is column H, etc. Cells have names too. They are named by the number of the row, then the letter of the column. This right here is D6. This is G7. This is E13, and it goes on. You can see the cell name up here at the top left. This is the name box. When you select multiple cells like this, it is called a range. To name a range, you say the cell name of the cell at the top left and then the bottom right. For example, this is range C4 to I13. If your cell is too small for the formula you are typing, you can click on the cell you wish to type in and come up here to the Formula tab where you can type instead. Everything you type here will automatically end up in the cell. To scroll vertically, you can use the vertical scroll bar right here. To scroll horizontally, you can use this horizontal scroll bar. To scroll, you can click on the scroll bar and drag it left to right or top to bottom. There are quite a few ways to zoom in and out of your worksheet. You can use the zoom slider at the bottom right or even the plus and minus signs on either sides of the slider. You can press the percentage of zoom to see different zoom options or custom zoom in the pop-out. You can also go under the View tab over here and press Zoom for the same pop-out.